Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Tonight's episode is going to be a bit of a time lapse. I'm just going to be shaping the tail, which is going to be a bit difficult. I haven't tried anything like it before, and I'm not sure how to go about it. But let's get started and see where we're going with it. Gentlemen, I think I'm going to call it a day for this section of the build. Came out very, very nice. I'm very happy with it. This putty takes a long time to actually set, so I might still be reshaping it in the next 24 hours or so. Just making everything neat and all of that. But with that, I'm going to call it for this video. As always, if you've made it this far, thanks a lot. And if you don't want to miss future episodes of this build or any of my other builds, please subscribe to the channel and ring the little bell so that you get notified. With that, I'm going to say good night and have a good one. And as always, stay safe.